Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to unbox the Realme GT Master Edition box. So I got the Realme GT Master Edition for rupees 25,999 on Diwali sale of Flipkart. So let's remove the peel of the smartphone box and see what are the box contents. So on the top here you get the Realme GT Master Edition, number 1 smartphone brand and 5G branding. On the side we get Realme branding. On the other side we get the model number and color. Here also the branding, and here we get the net contents of the box and some details. On the back side here we get the Realme GT Master Edition branding, Snapdragon 778G 5G processor, 120Hz Super AMOLED display, 65W Super Dart charging and super slim and light master design. So these are some specifications we get on the back side of the box. So here are some other details also on the white paper. So let's unbox the phone. So let's remove the upper lid. So after removing the upper lid, here we get one card and it is written the Realme exploring the aesthetics of technology. Here we get the paperwork like Realme safety guide and the Realme quick guide with the model number. And removing the other box contents, here we get the handset. Let's keep it aside and checking the other contents. So here we get one case with the Voyager gray color only, and it has the grip on the back side. It has the edges. So let's remove it, and another content is the USB type A to C cable, and here we get the Realme Super Dart charger with the output of 65 watt, which will charge your phone under 35 minutes from 0 to 100%. This is a very fast charger Realme has provided in the box. So looking over the handset, here it is the fingerprint information. So let's remove the plastic of the phone. So removing the plastic, so this is the phone, and this phone is super lightweight. It is not heavy. So here you get the Realme logo and the signature of the designer Naota Fukasawa. Sorry if I'm getting it wrong. Let's remove the peel and boot the phone for the first time. So here you get the Realme logo and it is powered by Android. Here it is Realme animation. So I will just set up the phone and will show you after few minutes. So let's go. So the phone is set up now. Talking about the display, here you get the 6.43 inch Super AMOLED display with a 20:9 aspect ratio with 120Hz super high refresh rate. It has also the adaptive refresh rate. Also it is very butter smooth. Talking about the sports and buttons, here at the bottom you get the headphone jack, speaker, grills, type C charging slot and microphone. On the left side here you get volume rockers and a SIM card slot, and it is not a hybrid SIM card slot. Here you get only two SIM card options. You cannot add any SD card or memory card. On the top side here you get one microphone. On the right side here you only get the power on off button. So let's open the camera, which is the main highlight of the Realme GT Master Edition. Just agree and continue. So talking about the setup of the camera, here you get the triple camera. First sensor is of 64 megapixel, second is ultra wide camera of 8 megapixel, and third is 2 megapixel macro camera. Talking about the UI, here you get the same UI you get in the Oppo or any other Realme devices. So let's capture the first photo from the 64 megapixel of GT Master Edition. So talking about the photo quality, the photo looks very much vibrant and the details are also good. So you can clearly see all the details and you can zoom it over very much. So let's go back, and in the more option here you will get many options like slow motion, expert mode, ultra macro, dual view, video, movie, text scanner, starry mode, time lapse, panorama mode and street mode. In the photo mode here you get the AI option, which will automatically detect what's inside. It is an indoor, so it will return indoor. If you go outdoor food, it will automatically. Here you get the 32 megapixel selfie camera with all the filters. The same filters you get in the back camera also. In the video mode you also get the AI mode. Here you also get all the filters. So here are the color specific filters. You can specify the color according to the RGB. You will show only that color. And here are other filters also. So in the night mode, here you get some good night photos in this phone. It has the pro mode also in night photograph. So in the photo option, here you get some settings. You can adjust as per your preferences. Here the brightness of the phone can go up to 1000 nits, and in the outdoor condition it is very much bright, so you can see the text on the phone. In the settings, if you go to the about phone section, here it is written the Realme GT Master Edition device name. Here you get the Realme UI version 2.0 with Android version 11. Talking about the RAM, here you can expand the RAM by 5 GB by the variable 2, 3 and 5 GB. Here you get the RAM expansion option, and here it is the Android 11 version. So here only I got the Realme UI 2.0, means the same UI update. So I have just updated it. I just forgot about the case. So here it's the same case of the same color. So applying it is very super grippy and nice. So this was the unboxing of the Realme GT Master Edition. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. And for the best deals, just go for the description box. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.